So this is being a long time after I'm here on YouTube again with a new video. Again on assistant professor college cadre in HPPSC asked in 2018 exam chemistry paper. So these questions, two questions are from thermodynamics and two questions are from electrochemistry. So let us start with first question is, which of the following is an expression for thermodynamic equation of state? So we have two equation of state in thermodynamics. One is del U. First equation of state is del U by del V at constant T is T del P by del T at constant V minus P. So this del U can be written like del E also. So this is one and same thing. So here, from here we can say this is first equation of state, and second equation of state is del H by del P at constant T is minus T del V by del T at constant P minus V. This is plus V. So here it is del A. This is your free energy, Helmholtz free energy. This is viscosity, and this is chemical potential. So all these options are incorrect option. Right option is your option number A. Here this del E means internal energy change with volume at constant temperature. This is equal to, so this is our right option. Second question is, which statement is correct about Joule's law? So according to Joule's law, equation we write in Joule coefficient is eta is equal to del T by del V at constant U is minus 1 by CV, and del U by del V at constant T. Okay, so this is again equal to, as this one is your first equation of state. So from there you can further elaborate the equation. For ideal gas, this factor becomes equal to 0. Your internal energy change with volume at constant temperature becomes equal to 0, which means your internal energy is independent of volume. It is independent of volume. So this must be there in the statement. So in first statement, ideal gas change of enthalpy with pressure. So this is your second equation of states. This is Joule-Thomson effect. Okay, this is not Joule's law alone. So this is incorrect. We cannot talk about enthalpy change in Joule's law. Second is entropy. So this is your third law of thermodynamics. This is your third law. Then next is rate of expansion of solid with temperature should become 0. So rate of expansion with temperature. So volume versus temperature. No doubt it is again del T by del V. So this is at constant. Internal energy. Okay. So this must not be your answer. So last is energy content of an ideal gas is independent of volume at constant temperature. So this is your right option, because we have written here in this equation, that for ideal gas this factor become equal to 0. So we can interpret it that change of internal energy with volume at constant temperature is 0, means it is independent of temperature. So right option is option number D. Next question from electrochemistry, which of the following mixture of gases, fuel gases, has maximum flame temperature of about 4900 degree Kelvin? So the highest flame temperature is of acetylene, as we are using it in welding purpose. So it is acetylene or ethine. So acetylene must be there in the combination. So option number C and D eliminated. Now next is that it is to be taken in combination with nitrous oxide or with oxygen. So for having maximum temperature we need maximum combustion, and for combustion we require oxygen, not nitrous oxide. So option number B is correct. And last question is, which of the following single cell battery with the highest potential? So in our activity series, electrochemical series, it is lithium ion with the highest potential. Its potential, single cell battery potential is about 3.9 volt. Alkaline cell battery 1.5 volt. and of nickel metal hydride battery 1.2 volt, lead acid battery is 2 volt. So highest values of lithium ion battery, the best battery till now. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.